Hey everyone, how are you all? So as you saw in my last video, it was my birthday. So I asked you all for an unboxing of gifts video and you all wanted it so much. So here I am with all my gifts and I'll definitely unbox them with all of you. Now there are some gifts that I had to open because my relatives also wanted to eat them and they just wanted to see, so I couldn't say no to them, and then I also wanted to see, so yeah. And then some of them are already unwrapped like this, or some of them didn't have the wrapper, so sorry. But this thing, I still wonder what is this thing. It's so big. It is the biggest of all of them. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I am thinking that we will unwrap this thing, this big fat boy, at the end. So let's keep it. So let's start with the smallest one. Yeah, this is the smallest one. So as you can see, it is a happy birthday big chocolate. It is milk chocolate from Amul, and it's already open, and it's even by me. So okay. So for the next thing, I have this very cute little diary which says Little Range Book. Like it has got graph paper inside, like these small paper, and then it has got the line paper, and then it also has like these amazing, as it says amazing, but it has work on it, so it's like amazing patterns here of different dots, as you can see. So it's really pretty and I'm definitely gonna use this thing. Plus it's such a bright orange color, so it's nice. So yeah. Now this card is so precious for me because it's from my little sister and she lives all the way to Pune in Maharashtra, so she couldn't send me anything like a gift or something, so she just sent this happy birthday card to me, which is really pretty and cute. It has all these balloons here which are super duper cute. Then this bow has glitter, and if you don't know, well, you probably wouldn't, that I love bows. So inside it has birthday wishes for me in balloons. So it's really cute and I love it. Thank you so much. And now for the rest, 5 gifts. Chocolate. More chocolate. Even more chocolate. A lot of chocolate. Chocolate I have never even imagined more. All of this is chocolate. Like this is a Cadbury Celebration in pink color, Cadbury Celebration in green color. Again, it's in green color. Then this is from Nestle, Festive Celebration, so it is in red and it matches my dress, so I'm happy. And then this beautiful, I mean, it is a really, okay, that's also open. Okay, so I actually really like this thing because I know that it has a lot of caramel, but then it's still so delicious. So yeah, I also got one of those. That's a lot of chocolate. So what I thought is that at the end of the video, I'm gonna combine all this chocolate together and then make it rain chocolate. How's that idea? So we are gonna keep those at the side. Then we have this wrap thing, which I actually don't know what it is. So this also matches with my dress. So let's get unwrapping. So definitely I'm gonna open it in a nice manner because, okay, let's just continue. Right, we got more paper to unwrap them nicely. Very good. Guess what I got? Another pack of chocolate. The pink one. So she's got a sister now, so they all can live happily together. Oh, these two also are maybe brothers because they're green. So yeah. And then let's see what this has for me. Hope there's not another chocolate. Yeah, over here. So try to open this one nicely if I can. Or I cannot. I don't have anything to say. Nothing to say. Nothing to say. Guess they are not going to be alone anymore. So the next thing is finding out the chocolate. I'm so happy, and I'm sorry for my voice. So this is a Ludo set. So as you can already see in the snake and ladders part, I've already started doodling on it. So it is a very famous game, and I know that most of you know what this is. So this is Ludo and this is snake and ladders. So if you want me to make a video of this, please do like this video. Okay, now it's the second last gift. Then I can finally open the big one. So, okay, not the second last. I've got, okay, two more. Okay, I didn't show you. So I have this amazing, cute, pretty idol of Lord Ganesh. So this is very, very, very pretty, and I really like it. So yeah, it's very pretty. Actually, a few years back, I got another Ganesh from my father. Yeah, it was very pretty. It's brown colored, and then it had all the mountains and all, and then it has a little diya stand. It is so pretty. So if it should not break, so let's keep it at the table. So yeah. Now, the other gift I was talking about is actually really cute because it has a cat on it. That's a hint. It has a cat on it, and it has fur. It has laces. Okay, that's not a real cat. It's a cat pouch or a sling bag. It's so cute and so pretty, and I love it. It's so mini. It's so cute. Also, we can make it in like a school bag thingy. So yeah, that is very pretty. Now, for my second last gift, I have this very pretty mirror plus comb thing. So when we open it, we have a mirror, as you can see. But I won't show you, or else you'll see my messy background. And this cute little comb, which I think we hold like this and comb our hair, but I just use it like that because it's easy. So yeah. It's very pretty and it's very useful. Now, finally, I get to open the big one. Very pretty. You can take screenshots. So this has this really pretty bow, and like I love bows, so I'm definitely gonna keep it. Where should I put it? I'll put it in one of the chocolates. Yeah, that's better. And then this gift cards, but the thing is smudged here, so can't read it perfectly. So now I finally get to. Oh, I see something blue. Now don't tell me it's not more chocolate. You see it? It's something blue. Okay, but looks like we are about to find out. So a lot of tape. I am trying my best to open this nicely. Hey, have you ever got a gift on your birthday or maybe some kind of occasion and you didn't like it, so just repacked it and gave it to someone? Just tell me. So, well, I'm gonna say the truth. Wait. I already know what this is. I actually have done that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. You go to the trash can. It's a business game. Whoa. I have always wanted one of this. Actually, when I was like really small, I didn't even know how to play even the Ludo. I actually requested for this so much. I literally cried at the store. But no one did. Oh, but it's still fine. So I finally got one. So I really want to open it and see what's in. Oh, come on. Why opening new stuff is so hard? Come on. I'll just open it. Okay. And the next one is Tambola. Yay. So if you don't know what is Tambola, it is a housey, and if you don't even know housey, then you've been living under the rocks. So it's 90 members, 600 tickets. Whoa. So if you want me to do a video of this also with my friends and my family, so do like this video, subscribe my channel, and share it to as many people as you can. That was loud. So now that I have finally opened all the gifts and got my like chahite gifts, we say in Hindi, we can finally move on to collecting all these chocolates. So let's go. I'm so excited. Super much. Look at it. Okay, I think we should count them all, right? Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 34, 35, 6, 37, 8, 39, 40, 41, 2, 40, 3, 4. You see? I've got 44 chocolates. 44. Friends, it's raining chocolate. If this happened in real life, people would literally ban the song, Rain, Rain, Go Away. Oh my god. So guys, thank you so much for watching this very chocolatey video. So if you like this, please smash down the like button, subscribe my channel down below, and make it red to gray. Yeah, make it red to gray, and then turn on the notification bell to watch my video first, and also share my videos and my channel with all your friends and family. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.